Disclaimer, this is a sponsored video and I have received this product in exchange for my honest and unbiased opinion. Hello, Judy Ann here from just88.com. Now today we're going to be doing an unboxing video. You're like, oh my gosh, how many are you going to be doing these? I know, right? You just never know with one of these. Alright, so let's get, just want to make sure you don't see my address, you know what I'm saying? So here's the box. Now, what's inside?
Yeah.
What's inside? What's inside, Fifi? Alright, let's open this. Where do I open? Whoa. Is it a cookbook? Did you know, as Just at 8, we have done a cookbook. So check out the link in the description box below. Definitely click on the details more. More details, yeah. Alright guys, so this is a sponsored video and you're like, from who? Right? Well, it's by Morning Pep. Morning Pep. And so it is, what is it called?
Xylitol.
Xylitol. Now for those who are like, what the heck is that? It is 100% pure natural sweetener from real birch. B-I-R-C-H. Birch. Am I saying that right? Just making sure. So it's low calories, low glycemic, and low carbohydrates. Now, it's actually made in the United States, and so it's a big deal whenever you have a product made in the United States. That means it's good, yes. And it's actually suitable for vegetarians as well, and so at the same time, it's keto appropriate. And you know, all those foodies out there, you know that keto is the #1 diet thing that's happening right now. And so this is keto okayed. At the same time, it is non-GMO and it's kosher and it's gluten free. Okay. Now it's so bright in here. I can't see my words on the product. Let's see. It's replaces sugar in equal measures, 40% lower calorie than sugar, and 75% fewer carbohydrates. Supports dental health, even improves it by fighting plaque. No aftertaste, unlike most sugar substance. Safe for diabetics / low glycemic index. Yes, kosher certified and free GMO corn, wheat, gluten, soy, and dairy. And it's allergen free. At Morning Pep, we are proud to bring you this 100% free, sugar-free natural sweetener.
Xylitol.
Xylitol has been a very convenient sugar substitute for many years now, since it looks and tastes like real sugar. It is ideal for coffee, tea, cereal, baking, and any other use. Yeah, and this 100% birch, what is it called?
Xylitol.
Xylitol is proudly produced in the U.S., in the United States. Unlike most Xylitol, which are now being produced in various Asian countries, it is made in quality hardwood birch trees and is absolutely pesticides free. Above all, it is great tasting and safe for diabetics. Alright guys, so since that's what it says on the product, we're going to go ahead and try it in the kitchen with my Thai tea coconut milk recipe. Alright guys, and you know what? One last thing. This is the 1 pound bag. Now for those keto lovers out there, you know what this is. This is your next best friend. Okay? And it's 453 grams. Okay? Woo! And it's actually pretty good. Now there's the other size as well. If you're like, hey, I want to try this keto sugar thing that's going on right now, that's the fad, you know, and you don't want to invest in or win this big old thing, we're doing a giveaway. Did I just tell you? Yes, we're doing a giveaway where we're giving this bag of Morning Pep Xylitol sugar. I call it sugar. I call it keto sugar. Okay, that's what I'm gonna call it. Okay, but at the same time, where's my Fifi going? Anyway, so we're giving this away, and so for you to participate in the giveaway, go ahead and make sure you like us on Instagram, Just88 Instagram, and Morningpeps Instagram, and definitely tag your friends and participate in the giveaway. All right, make sure you are checking the link in the description box below and checking out all the rules to participate. I practically told you how to participate in the giveaway. Anyway, I'm ranting again because I keep on ranting. But if for some reason you don't want to try this whole big bag of sugar, why not just try this sugar? But anyway, there's an option to get the small bag as well. If you're like, let me try it first to see if I like it. Because you know what? I'm going to be real with you, okay? I'm not going to go and buy a big old bag of sugar and not like it. And I'm one of those people, one of those weird people that actually go back to the grocery store and be like, hey man, I don't like these. I'm going to give you my receipt, okay? And that's how I do it. I really do. I know. I don't know if you guys do it, but so that's why there's the smaller option so that you could give it a try. And if you like it, you could get the big bag. Or just get the big bag and do like how I do it. I don't like it and send it back. You know what I'm saying? All right. So let's get in the kitchen and try to make our keto Thai coconut milk tea. All right. You're like, what is that? It's literally like an Asian delicacy where it's like the sweet but yet dark tea. It's called Thai tea. And when you put in that milk, it makes it that milky orange look. And so we're going to be using this product today. And it looks like that. And then eventually when you put in the milk and the yummy sugars, it turns into this color. And so let's get in the kitchen and let's get started. So it says 1. Place one bag into the cup or mug in hot water. Number 2. Let it steep for 2 to 3 minutes until the tea turns deep orange. Can you see how dark it's turning already? It's amazing how it just turns that way. And then I'm gonna let it seep even more because I think it could get darker. And oh yeah, it's hot. It's hot water, baby. Oh yeah, it's a hot water. And if it's not hot, it doesn't seep. So, and then we're gonna put in our sweetener, but I'm gonna let it seep even some more, okay? Now we're gonna add the sugar, because I think it seeped pretty well. Here's, can you see? 1 tablespoon of sugar, and we're gonna go ahead and use, of course, our xylitol, which is our natural 100% natural sugar in this Thai tea. Okay, and we're gonna stir this baby up. Might as well just use the spoon I got right here. Right? It's already dirty, so might as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this bag out. Side cup here. Let's grab the bag. Now, A side note here, whenever you're taking out your Thai tea bags, they're super orangey. So you gotta make sure that you're using glass when it comes to making tea. Do not, I strongly suggest, do not use any plastic because it does stain your plasticware, as well as sometimes your white countertops get stained, or anything, really. So you want to make sure you're using glass. Okay? And look it dissolved pretty well. Alright, so hopefully you can see me. Hi! Okay, so every time I make Thai tea, there's a difference between chai tea and Thai tea, okay? I'm just saying. But when I make my Thai tea, I always want to take a test, like a taste test, to see how sweet it is when it's still a dark orange tea phase, because it wants to be really sweet. Now I'm going to try and see if it's good enough. Ooh! This sugar actually tastes pretty good, but I think I want to put more sugar in here. I do this every time though. Every time I make Thai tea, I taste in between to see if it's my, because you, just like making any kind of sweet treats, it's up to you how sweet you want to go. So I'm actually going to add another 1 tablespoon of the Morning Pep Xylitol, you know, because I want it a little bit more sweeter. And Thai tea is usually very sweet, and then when you put your milk, it's supposed to like unsweeten it. So let's go ahead and get that going. Okay, so you know, as I was saying, 1 tablespoon is optional. I'm sorry. I say 1 tablespoon is required, but the second one is purely your choice. And it's my choice because I'm going to do it right now. But, you know, it's because I like my tea very, very sweet. And so, I'm sprinkling my, can you see? No? How about this? I'm sprinkling my second one right now. But I'm bringing it in. Because like I said earlier, it's because when you put in the milk of your choice, usually it's sweet condensed milk or evaporated milk, or you could just do whole milk, but I'm doing the coconut milk, what's even better is the whole heavy whipping cream. That would be ideal. So, okay. Now, make sure to stir, baby, stir. Stir, baby, stir. Stir, baby, stir, right? Okay. Are you having fun in your kitchen just making tea? No. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and do the taste test. Just want to make sure that all my sugars are, what's the word, dissolved, you know, and don't see no bits in the bottom, you know. Yeah, can you guys see? Awesome. Okay. Taste test. Ganyan. That's how you do it. That's right. That's right. Okay. All right. Now for the fun part. We're gonna put it, because I ain't gonna drink it out of this. So, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my nice cup with my milk. All right, let's go. Pan down. Here we go. Go, 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 go. All right, so now we're gonna add the coconut milk. Okay. I only added like 1 teaspoon. Ooh, look at that. How's it separate?
As you saw the tea and the milk separated, now we're going to go ahead and give it a stir and combine them together. You just stir it up, and now it's becoming that traditional Thai iced tea color that everyone is used to seeing. That orange flavor. The orange color. Alright. Okay, now that we actually have the tea in my hand, I'm going to go ahead and taste test and see how it is with the coconut milk. Are you ready? And I'd like to thank Morning Pep for giving me the sugar supply for this keto Thai coconut milk tea. Alright, let's try this. Oh, I like the coconut. Yeah, I think it's good. You know, at first I heard a lot of keto sugars out there, and I did my homework with these guys, and I heard a really good review on them. And so I was like, oh, when they approached me saying, hey, would you be happy to do this video for us? And I'm like, okay, well, let me try it first. And I did my homework, and I was pretty happy with them. And again, I'm happy with my tea. And so, hopefully you guys could try Morningpeps keto sugar and let me know how you think of this xylitol. Let me know what you think of this xylitol, but at the same time, why not try the Thai tea recipe that I have for you guys? And let me know what you think. Alright, well, okay guys. You know what I like to say? Expand your mind and explore your palate by trying new things, and let's keep chasing the flavor. Alright, my haters, I'll see you in this video or that video, or oh, do I have a spider coming down my ceiling? I don't think so. I do see a bug. I see a bug. I'll see you in the next video.